In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DigitalOcean password. First, head to your DigitalOcean Cloud dashboard in a browser. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the profile icon. That opens a small menu where you can manage your personal settings. From there, choose My Account to open your account management page. On the account page, find the password section. This is where all password-related settings live, including the option to reset it. Click Reset Password to begin. DigitalOcean will ask for your current password first. This is an important security check to confirm it's really you, so carefully type your existing password exactly as you use it to log in. If you have a password manager, now is a good time to copy it from there to avoid typos. Next, create your new password. Aim for something strong and unique, a longer phrase or a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything you've used on other sites and skip predictable choices like words related to your organization or common sequences. If your password manager can generate a complex password, that's a great option. Just be sure it's saved before you continue. In the Confirm New Password field, type the same new password again. Take a moment to double check both fields match character for character. If there's a show or hide toggle, use it to quickly verify you haven't missed a symbol or added an extra space. Mismatches here are the most common reason for reset errors. When everything looks good, click Update Password. DigitalOcean will validate your current password, check the strength and match of the new one, and then apply the change. You should see a success message, and in some cases you might be prompted to sign in again. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. If you do see an error, look for hints on the page. Typical issues include a weak password, a mismatch in the confirmation field, or an incorrect current password. Make sure caps lock isn't on, confirm your keyboard layout, and ensure any browser autofill didn't overwrite your entry. If you can't recall your current password at all, use the account recovery option from the sign-in page outside of this flow. That's it. You've navigated to your profile, opened My Account, gone to the password area, started a reset, entered your current password, created and confirmed a strong new one, and saved the change. Keep your new password somewhere secure, ideally in a reputable password manager, and you're all set. Thanks for watching and happy building.